Ano ba pinakamalaking problema ng entrepreneur right now?
So, ibig sabihin, nung nag-start ka, mag-isa ka lang, and then, kaya lumaki din is you have the people around you na naniwala sa vision and mission.
Yeah. Nung nagsimula ako, marami nang naniniwala, except lang, at that time kasi I must admit, no, never negosyante ang aking mindset, no? Ang mindset ko giveaway talaga, no? And that's why, kung may mga company man akong pinuput up, talagang giveaway lahat. And ang kagandahan nito ngayon, since marami tayong graduates na naniniwala sa akin ng sobra, marami tayong graduates na mga negosyante, at gusto ko rin yung ganong negosyo, ang ginagawa ko na lang is to partner up with them. I support them with the context, the structure of their solving their biggest problem. Okay? Ano ba pinakamalaking problema ng entrepreneur right now? Unang-una, hiring people.
Yes.
Pangalawa, na-hire mo na, taking a look at on making them engaged.
Yes.
No? Ang hirap mag-engage. Ang pinakamasakit pa nito is, especially right now, palipat-lipat lahat ng mga employees. No? So, yan yung problema na alam ko, na sure ako, na guaranteed ako, na confident ako, na certain ako na yan yung regalo ko sa mga business owners. No? So the moment we work together, if there's one thing I'm certain about, number one, we give them peace of mind na in the end, tatakbo ang negosyo kahit wala ka.